And this, yeah, this is the inner fender, and yeah, you ain't never gonna see it with them big 17-inch wheels on it. You just ain't gonna see it. But I know it's there. See all them spot welds? I want all that fixed.
What are you gonna do about all of this?
That's all. When I put that front piece in, that'll all be welded in.
That covers that?
This is where this piece is.
Oh.
It's just not lined up. But this is all stuff that can be filled in, hammered and dollied out, so you can get to it. So you can hammer and doll and knock that out. All them spot welds, I'll mondo over all in. See if you can get the rest of this right here off. That's one way to get that off of there.
Just burn it off?
Burn it off. Has yours got a lot of that in it?
I hadn't gotten to this point yet. My body's out in the backyard covered with tarp. It had a lot of the plastic rubber gasket stuff on the inside that was flammable.
We just want all that out of there. Now's the time that we got right here where we need easy access to it, sitting down easy ergonomic position. You know, I'm always about safety. Get that done. You ain't got to worry about it. Get that cleaned up. Plus, when we do get the opportunity to sandblast this far, or have it, that's just one less thing, you know. That would take sandblaster a little bit of time to knock that off. And I would really feel like I got it done today. That's why I think it's always better to save as much of the original metal as you can. Because if the car ain't never been wrecked or hit or bumped, it's easy to line it back up. I like how it looks right there.
I probably should have been videoing a little earlier. I started doing some dollying and some sanding on these fenders, trying to move a little surface rust and fix a few dents. I don't know if you guys can see where this all paint's flaked right here. This thing had a crease right here. We had a good crease right here. So I've dollied that out. I've sanded that back to metal. But you can see how flat that is there. Getting pretty straight. We're dollying it out. We're trying to save some fenders. It had a good crease right here. Then this car was hit in the front. Well, I know it was hit in the front. It bent the bumper brackets back, messed the bumper up, bent it into the hood and into both fenders. So we're fixing that. We've kind of cleaned up just a little bit under here, just trying to get a little surface rust off, trying to do some metal repair. I'm just gonna show you guys where we're at right now, just dollying on these fenders here, trying to save some. Working on these fenders, you can see there's you see these paint bubbles up. So what there is there's gonna be some rust underneath those little bubbles right there. What you find is when you start to clean those out, you start to grind those off, you see that little pit right there. That's probably gonna be 3 or 4 millimeters wide, but once you get under there, that 4 millimeters is gonna turn into something a lot bigger. Same kind of spot right here. It was about 2 or 3 millimeters wide, maybe a couple of 16ths. But when you get that paint off of there, that rust is spread underneath that paint. So you gotta get to good metal. We've got to get some good primer and sealer on that. We're going to do some, we'll probably have to put a little filler in some of this stuff, but we're going to end up stripping these all the way down. We don't know what's under this paint, so we want to make sure that if we put our name on a paint job, we want to make sure that we've got that right.
All right, so here we are. We've got to pick up parts for NPM. Here at Mr. Ed's, he got everything pulled for us. Let's go pay the man. Let's go pay the bill. Then we'll be headed home. Time to do some work.